Hey everyone, it is Sparkle and welcome back to my channel. I don't know, am I supposed to look here or there? Probably here, but welcome back, y'all. Woo, okay. So just to give y'all an update, because this is my organization series. And okay, I had got a phone call. So yeah, so this is my organization series. You know, I had to get some stuff together. I'm still getting things together, but for the most part, I got this room together. I got it together. I stayed up pretty late, and then I got up early this morning and, you know, finished, because I'm doing little at a time. And yes, like I feel better about this. The living room, yeah, it's chaos in there. I haven't got to that yet, you know, so that's the next step, because a lot of things I took into the living room, you know, because I had to clear this room out. And what I was doing was I had went into the living room and just grabbed, you know, little at a time, you know, box it up, you know, placed it in here neatly, stuff like that. Some things I have to get some bubble wrap for, like the glass stuff. I have to get some bubble wrap, and I haven't had a chance to get any bubble wrap, you know, so I can wrap it up and pack it up also. But the stuff that I need bubble wrap for, you know, I put it up real neat. And anyway, I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like. But yeah, so like I can actually see my carpet in here. I can see the carpet in here. Before, you couldn't barely see the carpet. No walk room, nothing like that. But I, you know, I got it together. So I have everything ready to, you know, like when I take it to the storage, it's already lined up and ready. Already lined up and ready. Oh, goodness. Yeah, so it's a lot of work, you know. It is a lot of work. And I do have to pace myself, you know, just take it easy. Do little at a time, you know what I'm saying? But in the same token too, I am like, I'm rushing. I'm like, I need to get it done, you know, because I don't want to, I'm pacing myself, but I don't want to move slow. You see what I'm saying? Because me, if I move slow, it'll be next year sometime, you know, before I get it done. And you know, like right now I'm in go mode. So this is the best time for me to go ahead and try to do everything as quickly as possible. That way it'll get done. Because like I said, if I put it off and say, oh, okay, I'll finish it next week, it's not going to happen. Like, I already know that. So yeah, but that's what I'll be doing this weekend, and until, you know, till the job is done. And it's so nice out. It is so nice out, and I wish I could enjoy the weather, but I can't. Like, I can't. I gotta do this. I can't go out and enjoy the weather, you know. And this is the best time for me to do it, because it's going to be getting hot. It's already what was it, yesterday and today's like 81. But I'm talking about that hot weather to where you don't even want to go outside unless you're going to work. You don't even want to go to the store. Things like that. So, yeah, I'm not trying to be out there moving anything and taking stuff to the storage, and it'd be hot. So, it's best for me to get it done now, you know. And what's going on? Oh, Mother's Day. Y'all, listen, I had almost forgot about Mother's Day. I was like, it's Mother's Day. So Mother's Day is Sunday. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. You know, happy Mother's Day. Do I have any plans for Mother's Day? No. I don't have any plans. Yeah, I don't have any plans. I used to, you know, like when special days like birthdays and Mother's Day and stuff like that come around, I will always, you know, be doing stuff or somebody taking me out to eat and, you know, stuff like that. But I don't know, y'all. I don't really be into that like that no more. You know? My son always gets me something for Mother's Day and stuff, but yeah, I don't know. Like, even with my birthday, like, I think the last time I celebrated my birthday is when I turned 40. When I turned 40 years old, I did a little get together at my place, you know, cake and, you know, it was fun, drinks and stuff like that. But yeah, like I don't know, I'm just not big on I don't know, I'm just not big on that. Like, I'm good if I just wake up in the morning and, you know what I'm saying, I'm just thankful for that. So, and you know, on those days anyway, it's like spending money. So, you know, I'd rather be at home. Now, if somebody wanted to give me some money, then yeah, okay. But you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna be at home, you know. A card, anything like that, that's, you know, that's fine. But so I don't know. But oh goodness, my damn feet was swollen up last night. Not real bad, but just from me being on my feet and stuff. But I'm good. I am good. But no, while we yawning. What I see? I seen Beyonce. So she about to go on tour again, y'all. She about to go on tour again. I'm like, now wait a minute. You know, I ain't even go to the last concert. But her last concert, you know, if you catch it on the internet and stuff. And yeah, it was nice. It was nice. So I think they said that she's gonna be doing, what is it, Cowboy Carter, something like that. Her country music album. So she's gonna be going on tour for that. And y'all know, what's that? Y'all know it's gonna be a whole, listen, it's gonna be a whole bunch of people at the concert with cowboy hats on, cowboy boots. Y'all already know how they do. Her last concert, the Renaissance, everybody was going with the silver, the metallic. They was dressing up you know. And they look like they had so much fun too. Get to dress up. They had that on. They wore their metallic silver. So, you know, I know everybody. Look, y'all got y'all cowboy boots and your cowboy hats ready for the Beyonce Cowboy Quarter concert. Y'all better get ready. Get your money ready. When people in the comments, they was like, darn, they was like, B, oh, I gotta save my check. I'm like, what in the world? Yeah, Beyonce got them in the trance, y'all. She got them in the trance. They gonna spend their last to go to the concert to get that Beyonce experience. I'm just gonna watch it online like I always do and enjoy the show, you know. But yeah, so I seen that. So I'm excited to see, you know, when that concert start, everybody out and dressed up, and I don't know, I'm excited to see that. I like to see people have fun. So and then what they had, if you like hip hop, you know, I grew up with hip hop, and some things I'm in tune with, some things I'm just like, I'm really not, I don't know. But what is it? The exciting part, you know, with hip hop, I ain't gonna say, well, it could be exciting because I look at it like the beefs, you know, it's like a sport. You know what I'm saying? They go back and forth. As long as it don't get out of hand and doesn't get violent, you know, they just do everything music and just go back at each other, that's fine, you know, because like I say, to me, it's like a sport. So, okay, so they got the little rap beef. And you got Kendrick Lamar, okay, he's from California. And then you have Drake. And, they've been going back and forth. And, I was listening. I caught, how many is it? 2? I think I caught like 2 of Kendrick Lamar's diss to Dre, and he ate them up. Yeah, he ate them up. So, and then Drake, you know, he rebutted, and it's, I don't know, like Drake's wasn't hitting on nothing, but yeah, Kendrick Lamar, right now is giving Drake that work, and I was like, okay, you know. I'm team Kendrick Lamar. You know, I'm team I like Drake too. I just don't, I like them both. But yeah, I'm team Kendrick. I'm talking about like as far as lyrics, you know. I'm team Kendrick. You know, Drake's all right, but he can't mess with Kendrick. He can't mess with Kendrick. But yeah, so that's going on, and you know, Sparkle is here for it. You know, I'll tune in when I see it, and you know, see what was said and all of that stuff. But yep. And then what else did I see with music? Oh, listen, y'all know I said I love me the City Girls, you know, and I be trying to, you know, keep up and see what's what, but it's a lot with that. Okay, so the City Girls ain't together no more. It was, you know, JT and Young Miami. That's the City Girls, and it's Big Crooked. There, hold on. Okay, so it's JT and Young Miami, the City Girls. They're from Florida. You know, I like them. And yeah, so they're not a duo anymore. You know, they're not. JT, you know, she's solo. She has her music out. You know, it's like some of the music, like I don't know, I just can't listen to. But she doing her thing, and Young Miami, she doing so. I don't know, y'all. They're not supposed to be. They're not supposed to be. I guess they're not getting along, and then you got the other rap girls, rap females. Y'all, they just going at each other's neck. I don't know. I'm like, I don't know. I don't even know what it's about. And I'm like, well, what's going on? And you got the Sukihana, y'all. Sukihana done jumped in it. And she put out a song against JT, and it's a mess. And I'm like, what's going on? So Sukihana, you know, she done got in it, and what she was saying in the song, she said something about JT jealous of Carisha. Now Carisha is Young Miami. You know, I can't keep up, but I wish them the best. I wish the City Girls the best. It's a lot with them. It's a lot. So I don't know. I said, well, Sparkle, you know, you just sit your old behind and you know, let them young ladies have that. You just sit back and watch and try to understand what's going on, because I don't know, y'all. I don't know what they got going on. I don't know. I'm just rambling. You know, I'm sounding like an old auntie. Like, I'm just rambling. But, yeah, it's long. Okay. So, I'm going to come right, listen, because I done ran my mouth, and I don't want the video to be but like 20 minutes. But I'm going to come back and, show y'all the progress that I have made. Okay.